November.27, 1960. The Bills had their first look at Denver's unusual weather when the teams met in the American Football League's initial season. It was a memorable experience. The day was 45 degrees and sunny in the morning in Colorado. By the time the game started, a snowstorm had arrived. Still, the Bills adapted well at first. They jumped out to a 38-7 lead near the end of the third quarter. The snowstorm had turned into a blizzard at that point. What could possibly go wrong? The Broncos scored the final 31 points and earned a 38-38 tie. Gene Mingo kicked the tying field goal from 19 yards out. Denver's Frank Tripucka threw 3 touchdown passes to Lionel Taylor, one of the AFL's best receivers. For Buffalo, Albert Dubenion made 6 catches for 134 yards, with one of them going 76 yards for a touchdown. Bud Bailey is a retired sports reporter and editor at the Buffalo News. He is also the author of Today in Buffalo Sports History. Learn more about the book here.